Welcome to the CWCH podcast. Hi, my name's Chris, and today I am taking 20 minutes out just to give you a bit of a video upload on where I'm at. I'm at the Smart Manufacturing Week. I did do a podcast released a couple of days ago, which is just kind of informing you of my views prior to me getting to the manufacturing show at the NEC in Birmingham. I don't know why I'm looking at my volume monitor. I should be really looking into the camera when I'm doing this. I do apologise. The first time I've really videoed in a really big space, and I mean, you can kind of hear the buzz of excitement of people talking. A lot of that coming from vendors trying to sell people. But one thing I wanted to try and showcase what's happening in these manufacturing shows is the fact that you won't be able to read this, but if you can see, the majority of the colours on this sheet are light blue. And the light blue represents organisations which are trying to sell or endorse their products in regards to smart manufacturing. Now, that is quite it's probably more than 3/4 of the whole show is talking about smart manufacturing. If that's not a hint as to where we're going as an industry in regards to workforce, or if it's where we're going in regards to the future of potentially automation or artificial intelligence, well then I don't know. The telltale is that the colours on the sheet, it's astounding. I mean, the red on the sheet is main tech, and the yellow is design and engineering. Look how much yellowy orange there is in regards to design and engineering. Where are we losing this in the United Kingdom? There's a lot of foreign companies here looking to invest in the United Kingdom because they know that engineering is a mainstay in the United Kingdom. I think we're really good at it. But what we need to understand, and there's a little show that I've just been to over the back corner, which is leaders and management in organisations, which we really need to get better at. We really need to look at how do we become better leaders for our people so they become more engaged and more, how would you say it, more enthralled about coming to work every day. Because I think any leader or any managing director or general manager in any organisation, ultimately, you cannot do things without your people. If you don't have your people around you doing a really good job and turning up every single day and wanting to go that extra mile and that extra bit of effort to help you get a product over the line, then you're absolutely lost. If you don't have the understanding of what frustrations they have on the shop floor, you've lost it. If you're not out walking the Gemba, seeing your people do the operations and actually watch them, talk to them, understand their frustrations, it's going to be really hard for you to succeed in industry on the way forward, because changes is happening. This summit is quite clear to see. So this whole hall 5 in the NEC is absolutely rammed packed with people moving through over a 2-day period, showcasing their organisations. There's 3D print farms, there's automation, there's robots, there's humanoid robots as well. I see during the week BMW announced that they were going to start looking at using humanoid robots in their factory. I'm genuinely excited about this because I really think, the UK, although we're really low down the list of regards to automation and AI, we need to get better. We need to start looking at these things. People need to invest their money in looking at new technologies. But first, and I'm going to do another complete podcast on my findings and my key takeaways from this summit over the 2-day period, and with some of the conversations I'm going to have. I'm going to try and get some people to sit down with and interview about leadership in engineering. I think that'd be really exciting, actually. So thank you for tuning in. This is just a little bit of a short to let you know what I'm getting up to. I am back. The age is back. I've got a new lease of life. I am very enthusiastic now about the next stage and the next journey for CWC Age and CWCAge.com, along with the podcast and the YouTube channel. So you're going to see a little bit more of me. Some of the stuff will be off the cuff, some of the stuff will be planned, and I will be, talking around certain topics in regards to leadership and management and lean and transformation and different projects inside and outside organisations, at home as well. As I mentioned before, I've got a new 3D printer, which I'm so excited to showcase some of the things that I've been designing and running through that. So thanks for tuning in. If you feel this episode will help, or you want to try and forward this to anybody else, show them my YouTube channel. I've got 25 to 30, as we're speaking, uploaded videos and podcasts. I'm on any good podcast channels, Spotify, Apple. But yeah, until then, keep learning, keep leading, and remember, keep your edge. I'm back.